Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the blank screen to make the place effect in Capcut PC. So for example, I'm just going to add image and go to library and you can find blank screen, white screen or black screen. For example, put on top as an overlay and make it shorter and just copy paste. So keep a distance. Click, copy paste again, add until finish the clip. You can see, yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.